Hello my friends, this video is a quick overview of the library of free knitting resources that you will find at tenroseday.com/library. Just as it happens in any library, all resources are sorted into several categories. First come Learn to Knit course that explains the basics of knitting using both the English and the continental knitting styles. It includes detailed video knit-along, step-by-step photo tutorial, and the pattern for Santa boot cuffs that is suggested as your first knitting project. Then come ebooks, top 15 tips for beginner knitters, 12 lace stitches from the easiest to more challenging, 12 stitches for working in the round that is very helpful for knitting socks, mittens and seamless hats, and 12 tips for travel knitting. The next category includes charts, yarn substitution chart, knitting time calculator, hat size chart, sweater size chart, sock size chart, worksheet for converting stitch patterns for working in the round, differences between American and British knitting terms, and knitting needle size conversion chart. These are all one-page PDFs that you can print out and keep in your project bag for future reference. Then come patterns. A cute seamless hat for preemies and babies with a lovely lacy border. Then an easy and quick blanket that you can make as a gift for all of your friends. That's actually why I called it friendly blanket, because all of my friends have one. And a beanie that is great for using up all your odds and ends of yarn, because it's made in stripes, it's seamless, and it's a nice project to make for any toddler. The stitch pattern cards have stitch patterns that are easy to remember, simple, and have a small pattern repeat. They are arranged as cards, so these are all one-page PDFs that you can print and fold and keep in your project bag in case you want to whip up a scarf or spice up any of your projects. Because of the small pattern repeat, these patterns are easy to implement in pretty much any project, garments or accessories, so just make something different in your project using one of these patterns. Next come knitted greeting cards. So you get the artwork and you get detailed instructions for making a cute little card with an actual piece of knitted fabric attached to it. You can personalize these cards by putting a thank you or greetings or happy birthday, any other note, and make it very special and something your friends will definitely treasure for years to come. The next section is a new one. It includes special discounts that various companies kindly provided to you and other members of our knitting community, where you can easily save on their products and services. And I don't get any commission if you decide to purchase from these companies, so I'm just passing on these discounts to you, my friends. The password to the library is at the bottom of every newsletter that I send on Fridays. If you're not subscribed yet, then simply fill out the form right here on this page, tenroseday.com/library. I don't ever share my mailing list with anyone, so your email address is safe with me, and I don't send any spam. All you receive from me is a new knitting tutorial once a week on Fridays. I hope you will enjoy these resources and find them helpful in your everyday knitting. Once again, they are all at tenroseday.com/library. Happy knitting, my friends.